Morning. Hi, class 10th student of science student. Today, I would like to wish you a very happy life. Stay home, stay safe. This is slogan, and I request you all guys always stay at home. Now you have put so many questions regarding electricity. First, yesterday I could not attend the class, so I am very regret because weather could not give us immediate support. Now from this day, so many questions are arised by our students. First question from Jagirti. Jagirti, you listen it here. As I am very beginning in the class, I had already discussed how electricity flow in a wire. How electric current flow in a wire. Actually, electric current or electricity is the continuous flow of electron. So a wire that is conductor which free electrons that is the donor of electron are known as the conductors. As usual, all metals are the conductors. Graphite, non-metal, is also a good conductor. But it is in exception. So it is clear. जिस वायर से या जिस वायर में फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होगा उसी से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास करेगा. जैसे सूखी लकड़ी में फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नहीं होता, रबर में फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नहीं होता, प्लास्टिक में नहीं होता, इसलिए इसे होकर के करंट पास नहीं करता. इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट में it is a closed path in which current passes from positive terminal to negative terminal. That is called an electric circuit. And whatever the ammeter is connected in series connection, while voltmeter is connected in parallel connection. Whatever the series and parallel connections are concerned, details are going to be studied now furthermore. SI unit of electric current is ampere. That is I is equal to Q by T, that is 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 second. Now here once again question is resistance. From Ohm's law, I have already defined it. It is a constant. It is a constant. That is to oppose the flow of electrons in a circuit by the conductors. Substances are known as resistors. Substances which oppose the flow electrons are resistors. all conductors. In a circuit, it consumes the electric current and gives heat and light. The resistance of a conductor depends upon length, thickness, nature and temperature of the conductor.